Here's a new piece. I call it Rival Arrival. It's made of concrete and steel infrastructure. I used 3/8 steel to create the moose basic shape and to give the attitude of the piece. So it's really basic framework. And then inside that framework you stuff styrofoam blocks, any size, doesn't really matter as long as it's all filled in. Then you use some of those spray cans of foam that you turn upside down, and that locks in all the styrofoam blocks. Then after you get all the blocks in place, you carve everything to match the framework that you built for this to create this attitude. Then you literally sew on a mesh, a steel mesh, what a lot of people call blood lath. Actually, it's terrible stuff to work with, but that holds the concrete really well. And you take some, make a long needle that's about, I'd say a foot long or longer, out of 1/8 inch steel rod, so it's a really long piece. And then you put an eyelet in one end and you use rebar tie wire as the string or thread. And that goes through the steel mesh all the way through the body of the moose, and then you put it back through and you keep going back and forth like that, and then you pull it each time. What that does is it draws the mesh in really tight. You're literally sewing it on. And so once you get the mesh on there tightly, that's what holds the concrete in place. And you do the concrete in a couple of layers. You do a primary layer where you completely coat the entire moose in concrete in one continuous layer, horns and all. And then once you got a complete layering of that, you go back in and then you start doing your texturing wherever you need your texturing, and then you start adding concrete on, and basically in layers. You only work in areas like I might work on just this muscle at one time, and I only mix up enough to do that because this stuff sets up pretty quick. You've got about 15 minutes to work to mix it all, get it on, and shape it. And once you get it shaped, you got a certain amount of time that you can play with it. It gets kind of leathery, and then you can play with it then. And then after it sets up a little bit more, then you can start carving it away. So anyway, it's kind of a cool piece. There's the top of the head. So anyway, it weighs probably about, I'm guessing about 80 pounds, something like that. So anyway, there's Rival Arrival. It's meant to a moose that sees a competitor just coming on the scene. He's been eating lunch, and then the competitor comes on, and his nostrils gets flared, his muscles get tense, and he knows he's got some fighting to do. Rival Arrival.